Okay guys, let's look at Painx 1200 and how we can trade the spikes in it. Okay, so let's look at spikes trading in Painx 1200 and we will be checking this out using this setup on the chart. But before I go fully into it, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash, and if you love this content, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. Okay, so this is Painx 1200. I'm on 1 hour time frame. Okay, I think I'm falling in love with higher time frame right now because it gives us the opportunity to earn for a very long time. Okay, however, if you don't have strong capital, you might find it difficult trading on higher time frame. Okay, so this actually got to the support zone at this point, and of course it's went back up and buy. Okay, remember, if you want to trade the spikes in Painx, it will have to be from the resistance zone because it will crash down. Okay, that is how the spikes in Painx works. Okay, so definitely it should be from the resistance zone, and of course guys, the market should be on downtrend. So let's check it out. So this actually got to the resistance zone at this point, and of course the window indicator also confirmed it to us because this has actually gotten above 70, and of course it means that the market has overbought. Okay, so there should be a change in direction of the our market at this point, and of course that is if it does not break out above the resistance zone, because it can definitely break out above it. You can see it playing around there for a while before giving us the direction of the market. Okay, so right now it's now started going down right from here. Okay, so as we can see, it went below the moving average at this point, so which means we can easily come in around there to sell. Okay, however, if you are trading the spikes, okay, you should also understand that it might not give you the profits you are looking for immediately. That is why you need to be sure of the trend before you go into it. So definitely you can put your stop loss somewhere here, okay, in case the market decide to misbehave. Okay, so right from there it started crashing down till this very moment. Okay, and of course guys, another thing which actually proves it to us that this is going to sell or crash down is because of the chart structure. You can see it's in this form, which shows that it should go on a very long downtrend. Okay, and of course if you should take it to higher time frame, we see what we are able to get right from here. You can see this actually gave us a pattern here also, so which means this should sell, and of course it sold for a very long time, and like I have highlighted here, I said it should get to this point, and it got there. You can see it right from there. So there is one more thing we are looking for right now. If it breaks out below this support zone, then it's going to sell more, and it may likely sell till it gets to this particular spot. Okay, till it get to this particular spot. This is very important. Okay, that is if it breaks out from this particular support zone. If it does not, then it's going to buy right from there. But once it breaks out below it, then definitely it's going to sell more till it gets here, and if it breaks out from there, then we should expect it to get to this region. Okay, so this is a unique trading strategy which you can use to trade spikes. So the first thing you should do is to identify the trend first. Okay, you should identify the trend. The trend should be going on downtrend because we are trading spikes in Painx. Okay, and the second thing is that let it come from the resistance zone. Okay, let it come from the resistance zone. Then the third thing for you to consider before placing your order is to check out the market structure, the chart structure. Okay, if you are able to figure out the chart structure, then look for the best way to go into the market and set your stop loss also in case the market misbehave. Okay, so these are the strategies which you can use to make money on this particular platform. You can imagine if you had come in around here and you were in the market till this very moment. This is on 4-hour time frame. This is huge, guys. This is going to give you thousands of dollars within this this trading period. Okay, so that is how beautiful it is. So guys, I will be stopping right here. I'm really sure that you love the tips I gave to you this morning in this video. If you love it, kindly drop your comment down there in the comment section. I will be there to interact with you. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.